Intermittent fasting benefits. 12 reasons to start intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is an eating practice in which you cycle among durations of eating as well as fasting. There are several different kinds of intermittent fasting, for example, the 16-8 and 5-2 procedures. Several studies discovered that it can have great advantages for your body health. Intermittent fasting has been revealed to have several health benefits, from enhanced weight loss to healthier brain function. In today's video, we will share with you 12 reasons to start intermittent fasting. Number 1. Alters the function of different cells. Once you do not eat for a moment, numerous things occur in your body. For instance, your body starts important cellular restoration procedures and changes hormone concentrations to make deposited body fat more available. These changes include drop in insulin levels, increased hormonal growth, cellular repair, and beneficial gene modulations. Several of the advantages of intermittent fasting are associated with these variations in hormones, genes, as well as different cells. Number 2. Helps you to lose body weight. Several of those who go for intermittent fasting can lose their weight. Normally speaking, intermittent fasting can make you eat fewer meals. Except if you compensate by consuming much more in the other meals, in return you will finish up taking fewer calories. Furthermore, intermittent fasting increases hormone function to help weight loss. Decreased insulin concentrations, greater growth hormone degrees, and enhanced volumes of norepinephrine all increase the collapse of body fat and enable its usage for energy. Therefore, short-term fasting usually raises your metabolic frequency by 3.6 to 14%, assisting you to burn additional calories. And more, intermittent fasting fits best on both margins of the calorie calculation. It increases your metabolic rate and decreases the quantity of food you consume. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 3. It can decrease the danger of type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes has become extremely common in current decades. Its chief feature is an increase in blood sugar concentrations in the situation of insulin resistance. All that decreases insulin resistance must help decrease blood sugar concentrations and defend against type 2 diabetes. Remarkably, intermittent fasting has been revealed to have the main advantages of insulin resistance and can cause an impressive decrease in blood sugar concentrations. In human investigations on intermittent fasting, abstaining blood sugar has been decreased by 3 to 6%, whereas fasting insulin has been decreased by around 20 to 31%. Number 4. Improves health via fighting inflammation. Although acute inflammation is a usual immune procedure used to aid in fighting off diseases, long-lasting inflammation can have severe concerns for your health. Studies show that inflammation can be involved in the progress of chronic diseases like heart disease, malignancy, and rheumatoid inflammation. Some studies have discovered that fasting can reduce the stages of inflammation and improve health. One research in 50 healthy grown-ups presented that 1-month intermittent fasting can significantly reduce levels of inflammatory indicators. Moreover, one animal research discovered that following a low-calorie food to mimic the influences of fasting decreased levels of swelling and was helpful in the cure of numerous sclerosis, a long-lasting inflammatory disorder. Number 5. It can decrease oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is among the steps concerning aging and several chronic diseases. It contains unstable molecules known as free radicals, which respond with other significant molecules. Numerous studies reveal that intermittent fasting can increase the body's struggle with oxidative stress. Furthermore, studies discovered that intermittent fasting can fight inflammation, one more main driver of all kinds of common infections. Number 6. It can be helpful for heart health. Heart disease is now the world's main killer. It is recognized that several health indicators are linked with either an augmented or reduced danger of heart disease. Intermittent fasting has been revealed to improve several risk factors, comprising blood pressure, whole and LDL cholesterol, inflammatory indicators, and blood sugar concentrations. But a lot of this is founded on animal investigations. The consequences of heart health should be considered a lot further in people before references can be made. Researches show that intermittent fasting can develop several risk factors for heart disease, like blood pressure and triglycerides indicators. Number 7. Induces numerous cellular repair methods. Once we fast, the cells in our body start a cellular waste removal method named autophagy. This includes the cells breaking down as well as digesting fragmented and dysfunctional proteins that make inside cells. Enhanced autophagy may offer protection against numerous diseases, comprising cancer and Alzheimer's disease. Number 8. It can avoid cancer. Cancer is a dreadful disease, categorized by uncontrolled development of cells. Fasting has been revealed to have numerous useful effects on digestion that can decrease the risk of cancer. Even though human studies are required, a promising suggestion from animal researches shows that intermittent fasting can avoid cancer. There is also a suggestion on people suffering from cancer, presenting that fasting decreased numerous side effects of chemotherapy. Number 9. It is better for brain health. What is important for the body is frequently good for the brain, too. Intermittent fasting supports several metabolic characteristics known to be significant for brain health. This contains decreased oxidative stress, decreased inflammation, and a drop in blood sugar concentrations and insulin resistance. Some studies in rats have presented that intermittent fasting can increase the development of new brain cells. It also enhances amounts of a brain hormone known as a brain derivative neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a shortage of which has been associated with depression and numerous other brain disorders. Number 10. It can avoid Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is among the most prevalent neurodegenerative infections. There is no treatment accessible for Alzheimer's. Thus, avoiding it from screening up in the first place is serious. Research in rats indicates that intermittent fasting can delay the beginning of Alzheimer's disease or decrease its severity. In a sequence of case reports, a routine intervention that incorporated regular short-term fasts was capable of significantly improving the symptoms of this disease in 9 out of 12 patients. Furthermore, animal studies also recommend that fasting can protect alongside other neurodegenerative sicknesses containing Parkinson's as well as Huntington's disease. However, further study in humans is required. Number 11. It can help you live longer. One of the most stimulating claims of intermittent fasting might be its capability to increase lifespan. Researches in rats have revealed that intermittent fasting identically prolongs lifespan as constant calorie restriction. In several studies, the consequences were quite theatrical. In one of these studies, rats that starved themselves every other day existed around 83% longer compared to rats without fasting. Even though this is distant from being verified in people, intermittent fasting has become so prevalent between the anti-aging gathering. Given the identified advantages for metabolism and all types of health indicators, it is believed that sporadic fasting could support you having a longer and better life. Number 12. Increases the secretion of growth hormones. HGH, also known as the human growth hormone, is a kind of protein hormone that is fundamental to many characteristics of your health. Indeed, research demonstrates that this significant hormone is incorporated in development, digestion, weight loss, as well as muscle strength. Numerous studies have discovered that fasting can naturally upsurge HGH concentrations. One research in 11 healthy people revealed that fasting for 1 day significantly augmented concentrations of HGH. One more small investigation in 9 men discovered that fasting for only 2 days headed to a 5-fold upsurge in the HGH creation rate. Fasting is an eating habit that has been linked with a wide collection of possible health benefits, containing weight loss, better blood sugar regulation, heart health, cancer avoidance, and brain function. Starting from water fasting towards intermittent fasting, there are several different sorts of fasting that apt nearly every lifestyle. Once coupled with a healthy diet and proper lifestyle, incorporating fasting into your life could help your health. Will you start doing intermittent fasting after watching this video? Please let us know in the comments section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I can't grow this channel without your support. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy!